Shoot her, Brian. There is no base in squirt guns. Poor Dad.
You're the birthday girl.
Why have to be the birthday girl?
It's not just you. Poor Joby. Look at her butt. She just wants to run. Look, she's so funny. She makes me laugh.
I can't believe Josie's like totally okay with that.
Like upset?
Yeah.
I can't believe they're not out of water. Oh. Ooh, pretty. It's like dust. It's so hot, just steamy. I bet they could fill them up out of the pool, but that'd be kind of take a while.
While they reload and go splash them.
I thought about, yeah. Oh, look at this mess. Oh, that's cold.
I would use Heather's cup.
That'll work.
Just know you're going to get wet on the way there.
Get them!
She hosed you. Not technically, but...
She's like, well, you know what? It's okay because I'm already wet.
We set the sprinkler up by the hose, or by the slide, and had them sliding down the slide. We were letting the kids slide. We put the slide into the pool. But Josie kept sliding down, and she'd go boop, and like her head would go under every time. Well, that was a waste of water. Go out there and...
She just kind of throws it in your general direction.
Oh, sorry. Oh, boo! I was waiting to see if she's gonna cry. She looked like she was. I know. I was like, up. Oh, you gotta get closer. What? Oh, I just want to splash somebody. That's what she does in the bathtub, though. Splashing and screaming. And I'm like, stop.
His little pants.
I know, they're adorable. They look like bullies. Look at them standing over there on their hill with their squirt guns. Ha 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 ha. Look at Dylan's butt. He's got half a butt hanging out. Oh, Dilly, don't hit, baby. Dilly, no.
Right on the funny bone.
Ow.
He's like, God, this is what a boy does with a baton.
Yeah. Whack. That's a heavy baton, too. Way to go, Daff.
What am I supposed to do with this cup if they keep squirting me?
Run over to
You're
Brian.
gonna get wet anyway. You might as well get all the way in there.
Brian's too dry. Oh, not yours.
Oh, she got him. Yep.
Oh. You better go splash her then. On his knees? Oh! I go take a picture.